Handsome Jack will get what he deserves. And then you'll play the pre-sequel, and then you'll question a lot of different things. Then you'll wonder if Matt Pat from Game Theory was really right.
About
but
what?
hey, he did a video on Handsome Jack after the pre-sequel like had come out and stuff.
Bring it on! I'm ready!
I got you, buddy.
Don't worry, it's a good touch.
I will get back on my move.
Oh, Krieg told you not to worry, that it's a good touch.
Let me hear those screams!
Picked her up, that Gage just said, thanks, sexy. Probably not, but that's what it sounded like.
Listen, you want to talk about animal cruelty, people? Stop Handsome Jack. I mean, granted, all of these animals that he mutated would try to kill us anyway, but... Oh, there's actual guys now.
Such beautiful misery!
Never stop.
God
Never
damn
stop.
it! Locking house! Yeah. No.
17 sacks of salt the wound. You know they actually, you know those keep calm and carry on shirts and shit? Gearbox made a Borderlands version one that says strip the flesh and salt the wound. And it's got a little vault symbol on it.
Commencing slag injection on subjects supplied by the Hyperion liaison known as... Flesh Stick.
Look at this little robot.
Don't worry, honey. Everything's gonna be okay. Baby, don't
Look at this little robot you can talk to.
You are doing moderately well. I require one more echo recording, at which point I will have all the data I need.
What?
You can talk to this little guy.
I know.
Feeding time is scheduled for noon every day, or whenever a zookeeper falls into a holding cell.
He's cute.
Those don't sound very fun.
Shh. Grenade!
That was the first ball!
There's no barbecue till I say there's a barbecue!
I really want them to, like, expand so much on Creek's backstory in 3. Or in, like, if they keep writing the comics to expand on that and, like, make a comic about him. Oh. He's so good. Oh, I found a sample. Are you good, buddy?
Should be.
Ooh, he dropped one. We only need one more sample. So scour the place. I mean, we'll have to go upstairs, obviously, but hopefully it's up there. I'm climbing this side of the building.
Oh, that hurt.
Coming.
I literally walked 2 steps back.
Robot, attack mode!
I know Bloodwing, they're gonna be the biggest badass they can find. Protect
I found the last sample.
Should be a problem for you.
You found the slipper samples? Fantastic. Leave them with Roland once you finish whatever irrelevant thing you're doing right now.
This is nothing. I've done worse to myself.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
Gage was like, this is nothing, I've done worse to myself.
I'm rising.
She said that before. On my screen, she said, I'm gonna slap the bitch out of you.
Yeah.
Sweetheart! Remember that heavy red rock I told you to hide in your dress? Pull the pin at the top, then throw it at the wall!
Mommy?
Just run! Tina!
Oh, that's messed up.
Oh my gosh. That video that guy made was fake.
What?
Alright, okay. For the longest time, there was a theory out there, and it still is out there, that Krieg is Tina's father. Because of these audio logs. But he used that audio log as a reference point, saying that was, saying, no, saying that like, it was a male voice he used, saying that was Krieg. But it's not, so I don't know if that, I mean, it's still a theory, and it still is possible, because Krieg is somebody who's been experimented on. So he doesn't, he doesn't know who he is. Like, he knows who he is, but only the inside voice in his head knows who he is. So, like, it's still possible that they could be related, but that theory about, like, using that as evidence kind of goes out the window for right now. But yeah, that's the backstory.
Could be
Go ahead.
Krieg's wife.
Could be. That's the backstory on Tiny Tina. That's what happened after Fleshstick was a douche.
Oh man.
And that's why Tina loves explosives.
Man, when I open stuff, I don't want people to show up. Where's the loot?
They don't always drop like big amounts of loot. Ooh, hold on. Artifacts. Take that one. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Push the button. Oh, I'm about to level up.
Me too.
Rob, I hope you're ready.
This is where the thing happens. Dude, I'm not ready.
Bloodwing back, huh? Shame. I've been doing some really interesting iridium experiments with her. Hate to see her go, but heck with it. She's all yours.
Aww. Dude.
Oh my god. Just give it up, kiddo. Bloodwing's got all the elements at her disposal. Fire, electricity, corrosion, slag, and... God damn, I forgot the last one. What the hell was that again? God damn it! Just weaken her and I'll hit her with a trank! I'm sorry, soldier, but you gotta beat Bloodwing down.
Come on, we gotta do it, man.
If you can't, she's got what we need to get into Control Core Angel and grab the
I don't
vault
want to
key.
do this.
That's what matters.
We gotta. And this is why Borderlands has some of the greatest writing.
Fire. What else is there? Watch your claws! This is gonna be fine. Just gotta drink Bloodwing, get her back to Sanctuary, I don't know, maybe Zed can patch her up.
This rifle's doing a lot of damage.
Is she breathing fire?
She looks majestic as fucking fire form.
That she does.
She's coming for you! Look out! Electricity! Not bad. Electricity. And slag fire, electricity corrosion's coming up next. What am I? Watch the electricity! You're gonna regret ever dragging Bloodwing into this, Jack! You're gonna watch her tear your throat out! That's cute. She's bringing out her claws! Watch it!
Going to the good touch. Where's she coming from?
God damn it, Jack! You gotta pray while we're mixing enemies! Calm down, boy! Take it easy!
I took it down so much health.
Corrosion, yeah, I remember that one. Come on, what is left?
I know everything that I'm forgetting. And I know exactly when you're gonna deliver it. And it's gonna be heartbreaking. And I'm gonna cry.
Oh, she got her sights on you!
You don't know anything.
Yeah, I do,
You think
dude.
no, you think you know what's gonna happen, but you don't.
No, yes, I do. I am positive I know what's gonna happen.
I'm down. Help me. Fuck, my assault rifle's out of ammo.
My flesh is forever. Pounds of flesh!
Not bad. I don't really like me.
I want to hear you scream!
Tequila blood! This won't hurt, I promise!
I heard
Okay,
a ding!
she's still alive. Get the microchip from her collar, and we can get her back to Sanctuary.
I got it.
Oh, now I remember. Explosive! No! That is why you don't screw with me. You and your little friend Mordecai turn yourselves in, or that dumbass bird is just the beginning. God damn it, Jack! I'm gonna kill you! You hear me? I'm sorry about Bloodwing, soldier, but we gotta keep moving. Get that software upgrade to Claptrap, and we'll be able to get through the security field leading to Control Core Angel.
The first
Bloodwing
time
didn't deserve that, man.
the first time that happened, me and Tom fucking lost our shit. That is why Borderlands has awesome fucking writing, is because they pull shit off like this that you wouldn't expect they would. Like, you're playing it and you're like, oh yeah, it's a bunch of, you know, like dick and fart jokes every now and then. Like, sometimes there's something dark, like with Scooter, and you know, sometimes there's like weird stuff, and then you get to that and it just becomes a dark comedy. I'm sorry, baby. Rest easy now. They can't hurt you. The music is like so fitting too. There's some loot crates in here, buddy. Nothing good, but
I feel a deep, dark orb.